Hi everybody, I'm meteorologist Haley LaPointe. Here's an update on your forecast. A brisk feel, especially with strong northwest winds today. Could even be a few mixed showers, some snow showers in the White Mountains today. Otherwise, we'll see a mix of sun and clouds. High temperatures only in the 40s in the White Mountains, northern part of the state, much below the average for this time in October. 50s into central and southern New Hampshire. By the time we get to this afternoon, the winds will be gusty, even more so than what we saw on Wednesday. In fact, there could be a few wind gusts over 30 miles per hour, perhaps even as strong as 40 miles per hour out toward the Monadnock region and in the White Mountains. The winds do come down as we go into the overnight hours tonight. In fact, they'll go calm, so the temperatures in the morning hours the next few days will be quite cool, frosty in most spots. Then during the days, the temperatures rebound a little bit. So today we'll only have highs in the 50s, but then we'll return into the 60s, maybe even upper 60s, close to 70 in some communities on Sunday. So there is some milder air in store for us once we get through the next couple of days here. It is quiet through the morning hours here. Again, a very small chance of a stray sprinkle or even a snow flurry, primarily in the White Mountains. You can see there's a big area of low pressure here sitting over the Canadian Maritimes. And as this is kind of backing down some of the cooler air, there could be a few spotty showers coming out of this. Now, later on Thursday, we are going to get an update to the drought monitor. This is last week's edition, the whole northern half of the state in extreme drought. We really don't expect things to change much today. If anything, they may worsen since we haven't seen much rain over the last week or so. And there really won't be much as we get into the weekend here. A lot of sunshine for Saturday and Sunday. Then it looks a bit more unsettled with higher rain chances early and into the middle part of next week.